Okay, now let's start the third property, associativity. In this property, it states that the way numbers are grouped in an operation does not change the result. It means A star of B star C is equals to A star B whole grouped into 1 and star C. So when we group B and C together and then operated with A and B are grouped together and operated with C, the result should not change. This is the property definition. So here star is any operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now let's move on to check the associativity of whole numbers in addition first. Let's take 0, 1 and 2. First we have grouped 0 and 1 and then we have grouped 1 and 2. First 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3. 0 is same, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. So both are equal, it is associative. The next example 5, 2 and 1. Here 5 and 2 are grouped in the first in the LHS and then 2 and 1 are grouped in the RHS. First let's solve the LHS. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So LHS is equals to 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 is equals to 8. So both are same, addition is associative. Now let's move on to the subtraction. In the subtraction we have taken 1, 2 and 3. First we have grouped 1 and 2 together and then we have grouped 2 and 3 together in the RHS. First let's solve the LHS. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. But in the RHS, 1 minus is kept as it is. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus into minus is plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 4 is not equal to 2. So it is not associative. The next example 0, 1 and 5. Here 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. In the RHS, 0 minus 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. 0 plus 4 is plus 4. So minus 6 is not equal to plus 4. So subtraction is not associative. In the multiplication, 1, 5 and 6. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 6 is 30. Here 5 into 6 is 30. 30 into 1 is 30. So both are equal. It is associative. Next we have taken 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0 and 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 0 is 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So LHS and RHS are equal, so multiplication is associative. The next one is division. 5 divided by 1 divided by 6. 5 and 1 are grouped together. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So 5 divided by 6 is the RHS. In the LHS. Now going to the RHS. 5 divided by 1 divided by 6. So we have written as 5 divided by, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. 5 divided by 1 by 6, which can be written as 5 into 6 by 1, which is 5 6 are 30. So 5 by 6 is not equal to 30. So it is not associative. The next example 3, 6 and 2. First we have divided 3 and 6. 3 by 6 into the 2 by 1 is interchanged 1 by 2. The next 3 into 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 by 1 is here. We have interchanged, we have got 1 by 3 because we have put into sign, we have to interchange the denominator and numerator. So we have got here 3 by 6 2s are 12. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. Here 3 into 1 by 3 is 1, which are not equal. So division is not associative. So we have got to know that only addition and multiplication is associative. The same applies for natural numbers also. The addition and multiplication is associative in natural numbers also. Now let's move on to integers. The first is addition. We have taken minus 2, 3 and minus 4. We have grouped minus 2 and 3 in the LHS and 3 and minus 4 in the RHS. First let's solve the LHS part. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. Plus into minus is minus. 4 is as it is. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. LHS is minus 3. Now let's solve RHS. Minus 2 is kept as it is, plus 3 plus into minus is minus, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, plus into minus is minus, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is associative. The next example, minus 6, minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 6 plus of minus 4, which is minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Plus into minus is minus, 5 is as it is. Minus 6 we have raised as it is. Minus 4 plus into minus is minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. So minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. So addition is associative in integers. Now let's move on to subtraction. We have taken 5, 7 and 3. Let's group 7 and 3 in the LHS and 5 and 7 in the RHS. Let's solve the LHS first. 5 minus is kept as it is. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. In the RHS, 5 minus 7 is minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So 1 is not equals to minus 5. So it is not associative. The next example, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 and 1 are grouped in the LHS. So let's see, minus 3 minus of minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. In the RHS, we have grouped minus 3 and minus 2. So minus 3, minus into minus plus. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So LHS is not equals to RHS. So it is not associative. Now let's move on to multiplication. Okay. We have taken the first example, 5 minus 7 and minus 8. So first we have grouped minus 7 and minus 8 together, and then we have grouped 5 and minus 7 together. Let's solve the LHS. 5 into minus into minus is plus, 7 it's a 56. 5 into 56 is 280. We have to solve 6 5 is a 30, 3 remaining, 5 5 is a 25 plus 3 28, 280. Now 5 into minus 7 is minus 35 into minus 8. Minus into minus is plus. 8 5 is a 44, remaining 8 is a 24 plus 4 28. So 280. So it is associative. Minus 4 and minus 8 and minus 5 we have taken. Now we will group minus 8 and minus 5 together in the LHS. Minus 4 is kept as it is. Minus into minus is plus. 8 5 is 40. Minus 4 into 40. 4 4 is 16. Minus 760 is the LHS. In the RHS, we have grouped minus 4 and minus 8 together. So minus into minus is plus. 8 4 is 32 into minus 5. Minus into plus is minus. 32 into 5 is 160. So it is the LHS is equals to RHS. So multiplication is associative. Let's move on to division. In the division, we have taken minus 10, 2 and minus 5 as example. First, in the LHS, we have grouped minus 10 and 2 together, and in the RHS, we have grouped 2 and minus 5 together. So in the LHS, let's solve first. Minus 10 divided by 2. 2 5 is 10. So minus is kept as it is. Minus 5 divided by minus 5. And minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1, as we all know. The next in the RHS, minus 10 is kept as it is. 2 divided by minus 5, which will become minus 2 by 5. Then we will keep the first term as it is and then put into sign and then interchange 5 by minus 2. So 2 and minus 2 and minus 10 gets cancelled and become 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So 1 is not equals to 25. The next example, 8 minus 4 and minus 2. 8 and minus 4 are grouped together in the LHS. So 8 divided by minus 4 we will get minus 2. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 is 1. And in the RHS, 8 is kept as it is. Minus 4 divided by minus 2 is plus 2. And 8 divided by plus 2 is 4. So it is not equal. So division is not associative. So we can consider that in integers only addition and multiplication is associative. Okay. Now next let's move on to the next set of numbers, which are rational numbers. In the rational numbers, let's first do addition. In the addition, I have taken the first example as minus 2 by 3 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. First I have grouped minus 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6 as a group. So let's solve the LHS first. In the LHS, let's put the first term as it is and plus. Now we have solving the numbers inside the braces, which is 6 and 5 is 30. 5 6 are 6 3s are 18. Plus is as it is. 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. Minus is kept as it is. Now let's take minus 2 by 3 as it is plus 18 minus 25 is minus 7 by 30. Minus 2 by 3 plus of minus 7 by 30. Let's solve this. 3 and 30 is 30. 3 tens are 10 twos are minus 20. Plus into minus is minus 30. 1s are 1 7s are 7. So minus 20 minus 7 is minus 27 by 30. In the RHS we have grouped minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 as a group. So let's solve this. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. 3 5s are 5 2s are minus 10. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 by 15. The plus minus 5 by 6 is kept as it is. Now let's solve these. The LCM of 15 and 6. 15 and 6 LCM is, we will solve by taking 3. 3 5s are 3 2s are. So 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 is the LCM. So 30 we have taken. 15 2s are 30. 2 1s are 2. Minus is kept as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 6 5s are 5 5s are 25. So minus 2 minus 25 is minus 27 by 30. So LHS is equals to RHS. The next one is minus 1 by 2, 3 by 7, minus 4 by 3. We have grouped these two first and then we have grouped these two. Now let's solve LHS first. Minus 1 by 2 is kept as it is. 7 and 3 LCM is 21. 7 3s are 3 3s are 9 plus as it is. 3 7s are 7 4s are 28. So 9 minus 28 is minus 19 by 21. Let's solve this now. 21 and 22, 21 and 2, 42. 2 21, 21 into 1 minus 21. Plus into minus is minus. 21 2s are 2 19s are 38. Minus 21 minus 38 is minus 59 by 42. In the RHS, let's solve this. 2 and 7 is 14. 2 7s are 7 1s are. Minus is kept as it is. Plus 7 2s are 2 3s are 6. Plus of minus 4 by 3. Next, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 14 plus of minus 4 by 3. Now 14 and 3 LCM is 42. 14 3s are 42. 3 1s are 3. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 14. 14 4s are 56. So minus 3 minus 56 is minus 59 by 42. So these are equal. So we will confirm that addition is associative in rational numbers. Now let's move on to subtraction. In the subtraction, we have taken minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 2 as an example. Let's solve the LHS first. Minus 2 by 3, minus is kept as it is. Now let's solve the braces. 5 and 2 is 10. 5 2s are 2 4s are 8. Minus is kept as it is. 2 4s are 8 is written. Minus is kept as it is. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. So minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13 by 10. Now let's solve this. 3 and 10 is 30. 3 10s are 10 2s are minus 20. Minus into minus is plus. 10 3s are 3 13s are 39. So minus 20 plus 39 is 19 by 30. Here LHS is 19 by 30. Now let's see RHS. Minus 2 by 3. Minus of minus 4 by 5. Let's solve this. 3 and 5 is 15. Minus is kept as it is. 3 5s are 5 2s are 10. Minus of minus is kept as it is. 5 3s are 3 4s are 12. So minus 10 plus 12 is plus 2 by 15. Minus 1 by 2. 15 and 2 LCM is 30. 15 2s are 2 2s are 4 minus 2 15s are 15 1s are 15. Plus 4 minus 15 is minus 11 by 30. So 19 by 30 is not equal to minus 11 by 30. So we can conclude that subtraction is not associative. Now let's solve for multiplication. In the multiplication, we have taken examples minus 7 by 3, 5 by 4 and 2 by 9. Let's solve these first. Minus 7 by 3 is kept as it is. 5 2s are 10, 9 4s are 36. So 7 10s are 70, minus is kept as it is. 3 into 36 is 108. Let's solve RHS. 7 5s are 35, minus kept as it is. 4 3s are 12 into 2 by 9. 35 into 2 is 70, minus is kept as it is. 12 into 9 is 108. So minus 70 by 108 is present in both LHS and RHS. So multiplication is commutative in the first example. Let's see another example. 2 by 3 minus 6 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here let's solve this. 2 by 3 is kept as it is. Minus into plus is minus. 6 4s are 24. 7 5s are 35. So 2 by 3 into minus 24 by 35 is minus 48 by 105. In the RHS, 6 2s are 12, minus into plus is minus, 7 3s are 21 into 4 by 5. 12 4s are 48 and 21 into 5 is 105. So LHS and RHS are equal. So we can conclude that multiplication is associative. Let's move on to division. In the division, we have taken minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 as examples. Let's group the second two digits in the LHS and the first two digits in the RHS. Now let's first solve the LHS part. 1 by 2 divided by is kept as it is, and when dividing these, the first term is kept as it is and we have put into sign, and then we have interchanged numerator and the denominator. So we get 1 minus 1 by 3 into 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by is kept as it is. 1 into 5 is 5, minus into plus is minus, 3 2s are 6. So this we will get. Now let's solve it again. 1 by 2 is kept as it is. Into, we have exchanged the numerator and denominator. So minus 5 by 6 becomes 6 by minus 5. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. We will get minus 3 by 5 in the LHS. Now let's solve the RHS. Here also we have kept the first term as it is into the interchanging of numerator and denominator, 3 by minus 1. So 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. We have kept the minus in the numerator. Divided by 2 by 5 is kept as it is. Minus 3 by 2 is written as it is into, we have exchanged the numerator and denominator here. So we will get minus 15 by 4. So it is not equal. So division is not associative. So we got to know that only addition and multiplication are commutative in rational numbers also. So we can write as a plus of b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. So if we group any two numbers and operated on the other number, the result will be same. So only addition and multiplication are commutative in all the numbers. So let's check the table once. The table for solving in the textbook. So we have got that in the rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, in all the four numbers, only addition and multiplication are associative and division and subtraction are not associative. So we can write yes to all addition and multiplication and no to all subtraction and division. Thank you.